Using AI to write essays is super convenient. But what happens to the learning process? When students rely on tools like ChatGPT, they might miss out on building crucial skills. A Chinese university found that students use AI just to save time, which can actually weaken their critical thinking and deep learning. Harvard's Inspiring Minds put it perfectly. AI can help with structure, but it can never replace the struggle that leads to true insight. When students let AI do all the work, they lose the chance to practice essential skills like evaluating sources, spotting biases, and building solid arguments. As an educator, you know the struggle. The old AI detectors are a bit of a mess. They can be wrong, easily tricked, and just create suspicion. But there are better ways. Trinka DocuMark is a tool designed to build transparency and trust. It helps students show their work and take ownership, so you can see how they used AI and where their own thinking came into play. This approach helps students grow as critical thinkers while giving faculty the confidence to grade with integrity. In the end, it's not about catching students, it's about making sure they're the ones who truly learn the lesson. To explore how you can uphold academic integrity without compromising innovation, email us at connectatrinka.ai.